Okay students, we will see the third one sum here. Third one, what is given here, that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equals to, we have to prove it, 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So for this one, what we will do it, we will convert all the terms into a sine and cos. Before also I have told you that if you cannot understand it anything, convert into a sine and cos. So tan we are converting at sine theta upon cos theta upon here in denominator 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Same for the second one, cos theta, cot theta will become a cos theta upon sin theta, and a denominator 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. After converting each term into a sine and cos, we will find the LCM and we will write down it here. By finding LCM for the numerator, we will write down it here. What we will first, simply what we will do it here, that for the left and for the right term, whatever it is given, according to that one we will write down it. So what we will do it here, we will put a denominator in a numerator and multiplying sign here. Same denominator for the second one, we will write down cos here and we will multiply up, and cos we will put it down as the numerators. Denominator we will put it in a denominator. Same numerators denominator at the other one, we will put it here in a denominator. So we are writing by multiplying sign here also and sign with the sign. So we are getting here sine square theta upon the cos theta will go down, and here the sine will be multiplied with the 1. So sine theta minus cos theta. Same for the second one, if term we can see it here, same thing we will do it here, cos will be multiplied with the cos. So we will get it here cos square theta, and cos will be multiplied with the 1, with the LCM we will do it here. So it will get it here cos theta minus sin theta, and this sin theta will come down as a numerator's denominator will become a denominator. So here simply we have written. Now we can see it here, we will see it here that it is given cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, then cos theta minus sin theta, and sin theta. Now here if we want to find the LCM, we can see it here, it is given sin theta minus cos theta and cos theta minus sin theta. If we want to convert a term into sin theta minus cos theta, so here the sign will be changed. So we will write down here sin square theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, and here we will change our sign by changing it here sin theta minus cos theta. So we will write down here cos square theta upon, we will write down here sin theta minus cos theta, and here sin theta. Now here if we can see the LCM, what is given here, that we will write down the whole term of the LCM, that we will get it here sin theta minus cos theta, and in a multiplication that will come sin theta and cos theta. Now we will find again the LCM for these two terms. We will get it here sin theta cos theta is common. So what is remaining here, it is given a cos theta. So sin theta will be multiplied with the sin square theta. So we will get it here sin cube theta. And from here it is given a sin theta, and sin theta cos theta already it is there. So we will multiply cos theta with cos square theta. We get a cos cube theta upon, we will write down here the same thing, sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta into cos theta. Right, now it is a cube minus b cube. We are knowing identity, a cube minus b cube equals to, so a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This identity you have to remember it. So what we will do it here, now we will write down in place of this one, this is our a, this is the b. So a cube minus b cube. So first we will write down a minus b, so sin theta minus cos theta, and second one we will get it here sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta upon, we will write down here again that sin theta minus cos theta, and here denominator as same sin theta into cos theta. Now we can see it here, numerator denominator sin theta minus cos theta is there, so we will cut it here. We will see it here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1, right? So we will write down here by taking it, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we will write down here that plus cos square theta is 1, and sorry, here it is a plus sign, we will keep it here a plus sign, so we will get it here sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. So what we will do it here, for each term we will separately write down sin theta cos theta. How you can know that? We have to see it here that it is given 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. If we write down 1 upon sin theta cos theta, we will get it here sec theta and cosec theta. So we are writing here 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. So this will become here a 1, and 1 upon sin theta cosec theta is sec theta cosec theta. Okay, so we can write down sec theta cosec theta plus 1. So this is our RHS that we have proved it. As we are knowing it here that 1 upon sin is sec and 1 upon cos is cosec. So it is a multiplication. So we have written here sec theta cosec theta plus 1.